Hey guys, today I'll show you how to fix this issue in Valorant. So first, in your desktop, go to Valorant and right click, then go to Properties, then go to Compatibility tab, and just make sure that these two boxes are checked, then click Apply and OK. Now close the tab, and then on your Windows search, just go ahead and type Command Prompt, then run as administrator. Here you need to type SC space delete space VGC. Make sure it's a success, and then type again SC space delete space VGK, and make sure it's a success. Then go ahead and restart your PC and then launch the game again. Now if it doesn't work, go to your Windows firewall. Once you're here, just click allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, and you'll have this window. Now make sure in the list that Valorant is there. If it's not, just go ahead and click on the change settings. And also make sure that all the boxes are checked, especially both private and public boxes. Now if Valorant isn't here, just go ahead and click allow another app, then click on browse. Then go to the folder where valorant.exe is. Now mine is in the right games and Valorant folder in here. Then just go ahead and click open and add it to the list. This will then allow Valorant to run through the Windows Defender firewall. Now go ahead and restart, launch the game again. Hope this helps.